am very excited.
Me too, Sarah. Bali is beautiful.
I want to see the beach. Wow, the airport is very big. I can see airplanes.
Our plane will leave soon. Stay close to us, children.
Okay, Mom. This airport is amazing. I am so happy today.
Please stay together.
Our flight is ready now.
Let's go.
The clouds look beautiful. This is my first airplane trip.
Do not worry. It is safe.
Look outside. The sky is amazing. Wow. Bali is so beautiful.
I can smell the sea.
The air feels fresh.
Let us go to the hotel first.
Okay. This hotel is so pretty. I like the swimming pool.
The hotel feels very relaxing. Our vacation starts now.
Yay! The sunset is beautiful. I love Bali very much.
This is a special moment.
Family trips are wonderful. This food is delicious.
I like the juice very much.
The restaurant is lovely.
Bali is a wonder.
This was the best trip ever. I love Bali.
We made beautiful memories together. Family trips are very special.
Goodbye,
Bali.